You don't see suicide doors very often.
No. You know, and they work. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
they work.
They work.
What's up, my friends? As Gary from V-Dub Jawbreaker says, what's up, YouTubians? Okay, so my neighborhood here on the west coast of Florida, it's a pretty big neighborhood, and we actually have quite a bit of Volkswagen owners in the neighborhood. A while back, and you can see my video that I posted, it's got to be 2 years ago now, I picked up a Volkswagen. It was a Super Beetle. It had the roof permanently chopped, the doors were molded shut, the windshield's chopped in half, custom running boards and fenders. Me and my friend didn't really have the time to work on this car. I did a mock-up in a previous video. Anyways, the car just sat for a year. Neither one of us touched it. He decided it was best to go ahead and sell it. Well, the guy he sold it to was actually in my neighborhood. So we're gonna run over there now because I just realized I have the front fenders in the loft of my garage for this car. And before he goes and gets too crazy modifying this thing and building it and getting it roadworthy, I wanted to drop these fenders off to him. So we're gonna go check that out now. He's got some suicide doors. He's replaced the floors. He's got some other stuff going on. So we're gonna ride over there now with the fenders and check it out. Let's go. Okay, here's the Super Beetle fenders. They're just kind of primered and I don't know, just kind of grungy looking, but he'll get them hooked up, repainted, put on the car, and then he'll have a full set of fenders. All right. Love being able to ride a golf cart. Two other Volkswagen owners' houses. It is hot, very hot and steamy here in Florida for the beginning of May. It's a little too soon. I'm not ready to be painting wall murals outside all day in this heat, but I got no choice. Roofers have it a lot worse than I do, so I can't complain too much. Yeah.
They're in pretty good shape too.
Yeah, they're in pretty good shape. Just got a little bit of, you know,
They're in better shape than the hood is.
a little bit of rust and stuff. Cool.
I just did the finished doing the gas.
New
tank.
gas tank?
No,
Was that the one that was in it?
Yeah, I rebuilt it.
Oh, wow. Was it pretty grungy inside?
It had a lot of gum on the bottom,
Yeah.
and that took me a while to get all that crap out.
Yeah. Oh, I bet.
But yeah,
Sweet.
it's coming along.
Look at that.
Sure. I was doing some welding today. That piece I was telling you I'm making.
Yeah.
Look at the door, and I was fixing this piece.
What? Look at that. That's cool, man. Good job. See, I don't even know how to do all this stuff. I'm good with like cosmetic stuff, but like
Dude,
engineering, mechanical, I can figure it out, but I'm not like an expert at it yet.
I'm not an expert, but you know what? I don't have. I've got the balls enough to try it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Well,
I'll
yeah.
try whatever.
Try everything once yourself, and if you can't
Yeah.
figure it out, then you can find somebody else that's good at
Right.
it.
You see the floors are all in.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, when I picked this up, there was like literally no floors in it.
Yeah.
It was
And
all
I got
rusted
pictures
through.
I got pictures when I picked it up, and it was even worse.
Yeah.
I'm working over here,
Come a long way already.
fucking around with
Oh,
it.
nice.
Those are all vehicles I
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yep.
That's cool. Get some motorcycle plates.
Yep. So I've already had all the brakes apart and redid all that crap.
Yeah, it looks so much better already. Did you repaint some of this?
Yeah, I painted.
Okay, I thought so. I was like, man, it looks a lot newer now.
I rebuilt a lot of this shit already.
Cool.
But these struts, I'm gonna have to get new struts. You can see this one. Somebody tried to heat it to make it, you know, so you can drop it. You know, that's an old trick.
Oh, okay.
But at the same time, it fucks up the rubbers and shit up here.
Oh, gotcha.
So I'm gonna have to replace that strut.
Yeah.
So I might as well just do both.
Well,
of
do you know what color you're gonna paint this thing?
them. No.
Because I'm gonna say you could get some springs or something to help
the
match
same-
that.
Yeah.
So
Well,
it looks.
they're not gonna be seen anyway, because
Well, that's true.
I'm
That's
running
true. I'm
fenders.
thinking fenderless car when I
Right,
initially
right.
picked it up. I was thinking about
I'm
it being
going fenders.
fenderless. You like the chopped windshield too?
I love it.
Yeah, it's cool. You don't really see a chopped windshield that often. Yeah, it looks good.
I went online and I was like, you know, yeah, I'm gonna fix this motherfucker.
He'll be curious to see this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like when the doors are like this. You don't see suicide doors very often.
No. You know, and they work. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
they work.
They work.
Yeah, they're pretty stout. Like,
You know what I'm saying? So I'm
they
real
line
happy
up, they hook up, and
Yep.
it's good.
I'm really happy with that.
Cool.
But yeah, what I did was I took the other doors and took the hinges
Yeah.
from the other side and put them on this side, and the ones on this side on that side, because once you
okay.
reverse everything, you got to turn everything around.
I got you.
So all the guts here and here were actually in here,
Gotcha.
and I had to turn it around. You know, take that off and
Yeah.
put a plate over. You know, plate it off.
Yeah.
So you can see it on that one too, and you open it up.
Yeah. Check it out. Cool. Very nice.
See the yellow? That's all. The
Yeah.
other part of the door.
So it was all. Oh, I got you. I wonder what color this car was to begin with.
It was tan.
Was it tan? This is
This is the color.
That's the color.
That's
Okay.
the original color.
Got you.
Because that's all throughout.
It is
inside.
throughout the rest of the car then.
Yeah,
Okay.
Inside and
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was painted over like 5 different colors. Like my blue 67 was, it was originally, I think factory, it was a dark blue, and then it was a red, and then it was another blue, and then it was a black, and then it's my blue. So yeah, they're all these old cars, especially Beetles. They usually got about
painted
4
many
coats of
times.
paint on them of different
yeah.
colors.
And all different kinds of Bondo on it all over the
And
place.
he's sealing up the
Yeah.
exhaust ports.
He had done that.
Oh, really?
That's where it came. But
Oh, okay.
I'm actually getting ready to peel these off. I just bought a thing because this is spot welded.
Yeah.
And I just bought this bit that removes spot welds. It's got
okay.
like fucking 15 of them on this side.
Yeah.
15 and 15. I'm going to remove that thing and make it a removable apron. Well, this
okay.
thing will come off when I need to use it.
Yeah.
You know.
Well,
I
it might,
saw that
if you
online,
need to
too.
pull the motor too, that helps, so you don't have
You
to
know
lift
what
the
I'm
car up
saying?
and drop the
Exactly.
motor out the bottom.
Just slides right in.
Yeah.
Especially if you're putting a Subaru motor, you're gonna have to anyway.
Yeah, you're gonna have a bigger motor
Yeah.
going in there. It's gonna be wider.
As a
And,
matter of fact, with the Subaru motor, I gotta come back all the way to here and cut all the way back here.
yeah, because it's gonna be a lot wider.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta cut back all that so
Yeah.
that it fits in there.
Cool.
I've been doing a lot of research on it, man. Trust me.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta
YouTube,
know what
man,
you're doing.
YouTube's cool as hell, bro. I mean, you think about it and you say, oh man, I want to do this. Somebody's already done it.
Oh, 100%.
You know what I'm saying? So
Like
it makes it
I
easy.
got my own YouTube channel for all my projects.
Do
I
you?
just film them, so that's kind of what I'm filming
Oh,
now.
that's
If you
cool.
don't mind, if I
No, not at all.
throw it on there, I just
Hell no.
like documenting other people's cars, and
No, it's all cool, bro. I mean,
because it's all my channel is almost all primarily Volkswagen, but I throw in some other couple cars here and
Right,
there. But
right.
people just love seeing other vehicles and how people are
People's
doing
ideas, what
things
they're
and
doing, right?
ideas and stuff. Yeah, so
yeah, I can't wait to see
Cool.
this thing together.
All right, so that was it. Just a quick little video. I just thought it'd be kind of nice to show off another Volkswagen owner in my neighborhood, right down the road from me. He used to go by the nickname of Senor Bean. So once he's done building this car, I'm gonna help him come up with a little sketch, a little kind of like a little logo to paint on the side of his car, because back in the day, in the 80s, he also had another bug that looks almost identical to the one I just showed you, with the chopped windshield and the chopped roof and everything. And it was like a yellow and orange color, and he had a little bean painted on it. And I guess that was his nickname back in the day when he was younger. All his buddies and co-workers called him Senor Bean. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Okay, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the right there, and make sure you check out my other video on the left.